Hey everybody, Jeff here. Happy Monday. I hope this day finds you well. I want to go over some of the deals of the day that I spotted here this morning at Home Depot here. So I'm going to show you some of these deals and we'll take a look at them and we'll see if any of them are any good here. So I see right off the bat here we've got two of these Ridgid deals here. And I was trying to compare them against anything that they had on Black Friday and I just can't. I don't see any that they had here on Black Friday. I still have my Black Friday ad here from Home Depot. So I was hoping to find something that was above the 20, to 30% off range. That's what I look for here on these deals for the day. So here you got this 3-volt Automotive set right here. So this one here, so you're getting an impact wrench, an impact driver, and you're getting two 4-amp-hour batteries and a grinder and a charger. And I hate the way when they spec things like this. So the impact wrench here is spec'd, I believe, at 450. Let me see. I thought I saw 4. Yeah. So the impact wrench here. is spec'd here at 450 foot-pounds. So that's a medium range. I hate it when they do this. It just makes me angry when they do this. They take the impact driver here and they spec it at 2250, and you're thinking, oh, wow, but look, it's inch pounds, it's not foot pounds. And I wish they would stop doing that. It really belongs in foot pounds. That's how most of us think. So you have to go and you take 2250 here and divide it by 12, and I think you come up with about 187 foot pounds, which is still pretty good for an impact driver. All right, so as you look at this deal, so it's $299. That's $100 off. It's okay, but I don't think I've ever seen them charge $399 for this kit. Okay, so now we come back up here and we look at this other Ridgid kit here. And so this one's a 10-piece combo kit here. And they're giving you one 4-amp-hour battery and one 2-amp-hour battery, a charger, and a bag. This right here is your brushless combo kit. So this one is brushless. They are telling you specifically it's brushless. Now here at $279, they're saying it's 47% off. And again, I don't really know that I've ever seen this more than $279. I'm just not really sure because I don't follow this kit. However, I do have my Black Friday ad in front of me, and a kit very, very, very similar to this one was on sale at Black Friday for $199. So I'm thinking this price could and should go lower, but if you can't find a lower price than that right now in the stores, then yeah, you could probably take it. But yeah, in my Black Friday ad that I'm looking at right now, that shows this kit, or a very similar one to this, brushless 2-tool 4-amp-hour kit, and these are 3-amp-hour batteries. See, so they're giving you less of a battery than what they were offering at Black Friday. The Black Friday deal was a 4-amp-hour deal. That deal said that it was $279 back on Black Friday. That's why I think this is that same kit. So it was $199 at Black Friday is what it was on sale for. So this kit could be lower. You're talking $80 lower. And not only that, today they're giving you not as good of a battery as you were getting on Black Friday. Okay, so let's go take a look here now at this Ryobi deal. Now, they have a few of these Ryobi deals, and I'm going to tell you why these are like, I'm like on the fence on them. So if you look at this almost looks like the Ryobi Days deal that we just came out of, where you would buy the, but it was actually a 4-amp-hour kit for $99. Here, they're giving you a 3-amp-hour kit, so it's not even as good of a kit that we were getting in June. So they want you to, let's essentially pretend like this is Ryobi Day. So they want you to pay $99 for this battery kit. And then on top of that, pay $60 for the tool. Well, this tool's a $99 tool, and it would not have qualified for Ryobi Days, right? So what they're essentially trying to tell you to do is pay $99 for this kit, and then pay $60 for this tool. So it's like, well, okay, I'm like on the fence because it's like, it's okay, but it's not up to snuff of the normal Ryobi Day tools. Now, I always felt that on Ryobi Days that the $99 tools like this should have been thrown in when you paid $99 for the 4-amp-hour kit. So here they're giving you a little bit of a diluted down deal by offering you the 3-amp-hour and then making you pay $60 for this tool. If you apply the rate, or what I call try to interpolate how much, the Ryobi Days deal should have been. Let's say this was a $79 tool. It would have been free, but it's a $99 tool. So then I would think, well, okay, so you would pay $29. So that's my take on this, is that this deal should have been 4-amp-hour starter kit plus $20 rather, I'm sorry. Yeah, so this should have been a 4-amp-hour starter kit plus $20. So I'm thinking this should have been a $119 deal, not $159. Now, $159 is okay. It's not the best in the world, but if you want to get a kit right now and you need a grinder and you want a couple of extra batteries, yeah, by the way, I checked. This is a brushless grinder. It says it right. So at least you know you're getting brushless. I would not buy any Ryobi electric hand tool that is brushed. If you're going to buy any Ryobi hand tool, make sure you're getting brushless. You didn't have the money to spend on some of these other kits, I would make sure I at least get brushless. Now, with Ryobi here, they did create several other deals that are almost exactly the same type of thing. You know, my opinion is that all of these other deals should be $129 and maybe even less because you're not getting the 4 amp hour battery here, okay? Okay, now let's take a look at this kit here from DeWalt. We've seen other variations of this, and I showed you the other variation of this kit before Father's Day. So this is their best circular saw right now. I love this one. This is the DCS 575. It's the same one I have, and we actually did a tool review of this saw back in January. And if you haven't seen that, I'll put a link to that down in the description below. But you can see some of the video here from that tool review video where we tested this saw out. And I love this circular saw. It's just a great saw, and that electric brake on there is just incredible. What they did here is they're throwing in the impact driver here, and let's see which impact driver they are giving us in this kit. So the impact driver they're giving you here is the exact same one I own, which is it's a brushless DCF 887 DeWalt impact driver. The other thing they're doing here is they're giving you, I believe, 2 flex volt batteries. Yeah, so they're giving us 2 6 amp hour flex volt batteries, which is actually pretty decent. Now, when I bought a kit very much like this one last summer, it had this circular saw in it, and my kit had the DCD 996 hammer drill instead of the impact driver here, and it came with the charger, and mine came in the DeWalt Toughsystem medium-sized toolbox, which was a really nice premium to get. I don't like getting stuff in the bags, I just like cases. And mine came with a smaller battery and a flex volt battery. Now you can see here that a flex volt battery is $159 if you were to buy it by itself, or $300 if you buy 2, but of course they sell them as a pair as well. So you're looking at $179 value here for the cost of those 2 flex volt batteries that they're throwing in on the kit. Now in that kit, I wish they would give you this charger here. This is my favorite charger from them. It has a fan built into it. It's the fast charger, and it really does charge these batteries pretty fast. And so anytime I see a kit, like see this kit right over here, this is the worm drive version. This is nice. See this? It has the yellow fast charger. That to me sweetens a deal when they put that fast charger in a kit rather than the normal charger in the kit. So we come back here and look at this. So $379 is what they're offering you. It's an okay deal. I think it could be a little better. What makes it okay is the fact that you are getting 2 flex volt batteries. So when I bought this deal last year, they were originally selling it in the store for $379 with the Toughsystem toolbox, see, which makes it premium. And then right around Labor Day weekend, they had yellow stickers on it. So they lowered this price down to $349. And then up at the cash register there, I whipped out one of my 10% off Lowe's coupons and got this all the way down to $314. And I've even had a few people tell me they were able to get it down to $299 at their local Home Depot. I guess it just depended on which store you were at and what the manager wanted to do with the discounts and the stickers and everything. But so $379 isn't too bad. I think it could be better. But if you want this kit and you see it now, you probably want to snag it today, because a lot of these kits, they come and go, they just disappear. And when we're having tool shortages right now, when you go into Home Depot, you're seeing a lot of empty shelves, particularly in the tool section. This might be something you want to pounce on, remembering that this is only good for today. Okay, so the rest of these are kind of boring. Now here's the one I tell you to get right here. So let's take a look at this one. Let me see if this is what I'm thinking. So look what they're doing here. This, I think, is a much better deal. This is the one I think you should be getting. Because take a look, it's got the yellow charger, remember that? The fast charger I told you to get. It's got the 2, that's strange. All right, so I'm looking at this. The description here says you're getting 2 of the 2 amp hour batteries. But the picture is showing the 2 6 amp hour batteries. So now I'm going like, oh, wait a minute. Okay, so now I'm going, uh-oh, wait a minute, what's going on here? Stop the presses, let's take a closer look. See, what makes this one so good is this one has my hammer drill. That's the drill I told you about. This is the drill that I own. This is the DCD 996 hammer drill here from DeWalt. And let me make sure that it's the saw is the correct one, the DCS 575. I really think Home Depot screwed up on this one, folks, because here's the thing. This saw right here, the circular saw, is a flex volt saw. It has to run off a flex volt battery. So there is no such thing as a 2 amp hour flex volt battery. They start at 6 amp hours, right? So I think this is wrong here. And as a matter of fact, let me search for the word battery here. I want to see, look at their description right here. It says in the product overview right here, it says right here, this kit, or this comes with two 60-volt max lithium-ion batteries and a fast charger. Now here on that sentence, they're not saying how big they are, but if they are the 60-volt flex volts, they have to be 6 amp hours. So I'm thinking that's a typo up here on their description. I think that really is 6 amp hours. So $399, I would rather get this kit than the $379 kit, and I'll tell you why. Because for $20 more, you're getting the hammer drill, first of all, which is a premium product to that impact driver, and you're getting this fast charger here, which is a $90 charger. So I think this is the better deal to get, even though it says it's only 24% off. A deal like this doesn't often come up, and they don't often throw in these two extra items in the kit. So at Father's Day, when I showed you guys this kit, it didn't have this battery here. It had a regular 20 volt, I think it was a 2 amp hour or 3 amp hour battery that goes on the hammer drill here, and it had the regular charger. So even that other kit I showed you for $279 at Father's Day wasn't as nicely appointed as this one here. So I would say, you get this one here, you're getting the very top hammer drill that DeWalt currently makes, other than some people think that the new Power Detect might be better. The Power Detect is model number DCD 998. This is the 996, which is my unit. The Power Detect comes, when you buy that one, comes with an 8 amp hour battery, and it supposedly will put out more power when it senses that battery on there. So I don't know if I would notice the power or not. I haven't tested the two, but I'm certainly happy with my hammer drill that I have now, this one. And I think you would be happy with this kit here. Okay, so none of these other deals here really make me go, ooh, except maybe this one, because it's got 41% off. So I'm looking for the bigger discounts here this morning. And remember, this is tool only here, and it is brushless. So they've got it down to $99 from $70. But this is not a today only deal. This is a ongoing deal, a special buy. We don't know how long, probably until it sells out. But that's not a today only deal, so you have a little bit of time. I wanted to come back up and, yeah, so this other DeWalt one is a today only with the impact driver, but I think the second one I showed you is not. No, it is today only, yeah. So both of these deals with the circ saw are today only. All right, now let's go over to Lowe's here and see what they have for their deal of the day, squeal of the day. And they have a safe. Okay, doesn't really interest me. $70 off. They have some outdoor. I thought I saw a couple of deals in their outdoor. Now, these are not today only deals. These are just regular items here. I don't like anything from Greenworks. I would never buy anything from Greenworks. Let's see. What do we... So here we have a Cobalt brushless lithium. This one here is but it's a push behind. But I'll just point out the fact that it's on sale from $269 down to $199. But remember, this is a push mower. I don't particularly myself want to buy a push mower. Some people will, just because they're typically $100 cheaper than the other ones. Let's see if there's any other sales here. There's nothing really on the outdoor. So there you have it from Lowe's. Not a whole lot there. Okay, and while I've got you here, I just wanted to show you, we uploaded this video here last night, which is our review of the DeWalt Toughsystem 2.0, the small toolbox. So if you haven't seen that one yet, hey, make sure you go check it out. We uploaded it last night. And it's basically similar to the one we did a few weeks ago, which you see right over here, this one right here, where we compared all three, and that was a much longer video. So we shortened it just to show the small box by itself here. Then, of course, we did our Home Depot walkthrough the other night, and our BJ's walkthrough. And then this one was the big news from last week. So make sure you check out this video here where I break down all of the 6 new tools that Ryobi revealed that are coming up. The new really awesome subcompact HP series of tools. So make sure you check those out too. Well, anyway, thank you so much for joining us today, folks. You guys have a great day, and we will see you on the next one.